ठीक है. Now after having this, so this ends your the permutation with all different objects. Now we will move to the question like we have the repeated, some objects out of n objects are repeated. The second permutation topic we are upping, second permutation part, where we are discussing some objects out of n are same. For example, I have given already that. Let's have example like this. Google, Google, Google. So in this, though we have these 6 different letters, the 2 are repeated here. So these are the kinds of permutations we are looking at. Okay, see here, to solve such a type of questions, we have to first consider all are the different objects. Assume all are the different objects. So if all are the different objects, in how many ways we can permute them? 6 letters are there, those can be permuted in 6 factorial ways. Very good, excellent. But because of these 6 factorial ways, we are counting some letters which are same. For example, देखो यहाँ पे. Now I will write like this example like this, GOOGLE. I will write like this. Though this G and this G are same, I am representing them as a different. This is one word. You may say I will have another word, GOOGLE. Now tell me whether these two are same or different. Actually, if you see the spelling, these two are exactly same, though the representation is different. I am just representing to explain these things. So in these 6 factorial, we have counted these two as an distinct words. 2 different words we have already counted in this 6 factorial. Okay, now I have to remove those repetitions. So how you will remove the repetitions? Just divide by the number of times that letter has repeated. Now your G has repeated 2 times, so just divide by 2 factorial. Then your O has repeated, so divide by again 2 factorial. So this is what my answer is. This is my total answer. समझा नहीं? Okay, I will take one more question. Don't worry. We will have so many questions. Okay, we will have a permutation. Permutation. Okay, I will write in capital. नहीं, smallest लिखता हूँ. Permutation. Okay.
सर
Yes.
ये कैपिटल और स्मॉल में होगा तो एक ही होगा ना सर?
सेम
डिफरंट होगा
नाही
सर?
नाही सेम सेम
Same होगा?
सेम मी फक्त आता मला कॅपिटल
वही
आवडत नाही
पूछना था
म्हणून मी
वो
लिहितोय.
गूगल का.
गूगल का भी सेम ही है,
ओके सर.
सेम है. कैपिटल लिखो या स्मॉल लिखो, फाइनली स्पेलिंग आपका अलग होना चाहिए. दैट्स इट. Okay, permutation. Now how
Okay.
many different words we can form using the letters of the word permutation? First of all, check whether we have any repetition here or not. See here, T has repeated twice. ये T और ये T has repeated twice. Any other repetition we have here? No. Now first count the number of letters you have in this word. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7
11.
8 9 10 11. So write down 11 factorial as it is. 11 can be arranged in 11 factorial ways, divided by. So in this, how many repeated? T has repeated twice, so
2
2
factorial.
factorials आपको divide करना है. That's it. Let's take one another example. Mathematics. Mathematics. Count the number of letters. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
11.
10 11. फिर से 11 आ गया, क्या बात है. So it is 11 factorial divided by any repetition we have.
3.
Now देखो, अभी repetition count कैसा करोगे आप? See in exam also how you will count the repetitions. Try to have some indications, okay, that you have already covered that. M has repeated how many times? 2 times. So write down 2 factorial. A has repeated how many times? 1 2. Again 2 factorial. 2 into 2 factorial. Then T has repeated 2 times. Any other repetition we have? H नहीं है,
No.
E नहीं है, I नहीं है, C नहीं है, S नहीं है. So you have to make a practice of this striking out or any other thing you prefer. Okay, so this is how the total number of different words I can form if the repetition of some objects are given. Are you getting the point now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other word you want to discuss? We will have now, see here, we will keep this mathematics as it is. We will keep this mathematics as it is, and we will continue some of the conditions which we have seen in the last part. Okay, so how many different words we can form such that vowels are always together, if I say, or we will start with the simple question starting with, now same conditions you can give now. Okay, starting with,
Yes.
let's suppose M. Starting with M, how many words we can form? So there are total 11. So let's have 11 positions: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, now your word should start with M. What I have told you, consider all are the different objects, and your M should start with, sorry, your word should start with M. So
M.
यहाँ पे कितने ऑप्शंस आएंगे?
1.
Only one. If you are
10.
considering 2, then also no problem. Then you have to divide by 2 then. Okay. See,
Okay,
this
sir.
one and this one both are same. So you have only one option. Okay.
Yes, sir. Not understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक minute. What I will do, we'll make it more simple. Your word should start with M. Okay, means what? Here you should have M only. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what I told you that consider this all are distinct objects. Consider all are distinct objects. Now tell me how many M's you have for this position. How many options you have for this position?
1.
Two. Because I am considering these two are different. So let's write यहाँ पे 2. Is this okay? We are assuming that these are the two different cases. That's why I have that's why I have written 2. Two options.
Okay.
Out of these 2, I have used one here. One M I have used here. Now tell me, in how many ways you can arrange these remaining? 10 factorial.
2 and 10
Excellent.
factorial.
These can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. Once you have done this, remove the duplications in both the cases. In 10 factorial, do we have any repetition? See, in this
Yes, sir.
10 factorial,
Sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, there are repetitions.
yes, there are repetition. What you have
So-
repeated here? In this 10 factorial, I have
A.
considered A as well as T. Now don't consider M again, because M has repeated here.
Yes, sir.
Here in this 10 you have considered only A and T as a repetition, so divided by 2 and 2 factorial, and you have considered M here, so it divided by 2 because the M has repeated twice. So what is your answer is 2 by 2 factorial into this part, 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
पार्ट्स में सॉल्व करना है. डू नॉट ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन इन अ बंच.
Sir,
यस,
Yes.
if they do not ask not repetition, then
रिपीटेशन मतलब
repetition nahi. Repetition is not allowed.
वी हैव नॉट कंसिडर्ड द रिपीटेशन इज नॉट अलाउड.
Nahi, if there will be question.
हाँ. If there is a question of repetition is not allowed,
Yeah.
but there are repeated in the letters now, then you do not use the repeated letters. Do not use the repeated
सर,
letters.
वो कह रहा है हमने जो टी सेम ए सेम लिया है ना,
हाँ.
वो नहीं होगा तो वैसे डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट.
डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो गए तो देखो क्या होगा. सो MAT you have to consider MAT only once, then the remaining HE,
ICS.
then ICS. Is this the thing you want to
So
ask?
number of letters के factorial होंगे ना फिर.
Number of letters के
मतलब जितने number of letters है उतने blanks होंगे. To form a word.
Sir, it could not happen.
I'm not getting your question actually. You said that if repetition is not allowed. See, the question will not be like that. If repetition is not allowed, अगर आपको ज़बरदस्ती ये question को निकालना है, then you can take the letters like this, in which you have removed the M A and T which has already repeated. आपने now you have taken only distinct letters. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these can be done in 8 factorial ways. Is this okay?
सर
Yes.
सर अजून एक एक्झाम्पल घेता का
Yes, yes, yes. I will take. Yes, any other doubt in this? See, first in the
Sir,
first
2 by
case,
2 factorial.
in the first case, this will not be correct question. It is the question itself is a wrong. अगर आपको ज़बरदस्ती आंसर निकाला तो then your answer is like this. I will write one more question and we will discuss that. I will have one simple question. Example. Is any word you know?
एक सांगू का
बोला.
इंद्रप्रस्थ
वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया. इंद्रप्रस्थ we will take that in.
ओके सर
I want to explain those with the science. We will take SCIENCE, science. Is this okay? Now how many in how many
Yes, sir.
in how many ways you can permit them? Or so the question will be like this: how many distinct words can be formed using the letters of the word, using the letters of the word SCIENCE, science. ओके मतलब आपको इसमें जितने वर्ड्स दिए हैं वो पूरे वर्ड्स आपको यूज करके आपको नंबर काउंट करना है. ओके सो योर आंसर विल बी व्हाट? हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 लेटर्स आर देयर. माय आंसर 7 ना. डोंट डू मिस्टेक इन द काउंटिंग. ओके ये काउंट अगर गलत हो गया तो जिंदगी झंड है अपनी. 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 factorial ways to permit them if I consider all of them are distinct. But C and E has repeated, because C has repeated twice, and E has repeated twice. I have to remove them by dividing 2 factorial and 2 factorial. अगर ये 3 बार रिपीट होता है तो 3 फैक्टोरियल करो, 4 बार रिपीट होता है तो 4 फैक्टोरियल करो, 10 बार रिपीट होता है तो 10 फैक्टोरियल करो. Are you getting the point? So this is what we have, the total number of words using the letters of the word science.
सर
Yes.
सर अगर सी और 2 बार रिपीट होता और ई 4 बार रिपीट
Okay.
होता
I will take the one more
तो
question. The
factorial
same
in-
question I will take. Indraprastha. Okay. Indraprastha. Okay. Indraprastha. Now let's count. How many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are total 12 letters we have. So 12 factorial divided by, देखो I repeat हुआ है क्या? So I will strike out the repeated. I repeat हुआ है नहीं हुआ है छोड़ दो. N repeat हुआ है नहीं हुआ है छोड़ दो. D no. R R has repeated twice. So I will write R has repeated twice. A has repeated thrice. P has repeated no. S no. T no. H no. Okay, so now you have to remove only the repetitions because of R and A. So R के लिए repetitions 2 factorial हो गए. A के 3 बार repeat हुआ तो it becomes 3 factorial. Is this okay? अगर suppose यहाँ पे P, अगर यहाँ पे P 10 बार repeat होता तो I could have done like this 10 factorial. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
बोलो डाउट बोलो फटाफट.
सर फिर वो मैथमेटिक्स के केस में क्या अलग हुआ?
कुछ अलग नहीं है. आपने ही उसको अलग कर दिया उसको. This is what we have the same thing. What I have done, I have considered this M and this M as distinct entity. If you don't want, you consider it is only one, but do not divide by 2 again, because you have considered only one object. Are you getting the point? If you are considering these two M's are same, then no need to divide by 2 again.
ओके सर.
Okay, let's see now in the question same science.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
सर वो प्रैक्टिकली नहीं समझा सर.
प्रैक्टिकली नहीं समझा. एक मिनट है.
सर वो मैथमेटिक्स
वो
का
आपने
लेकर
बताया
फिर
तो
से
मैं
डिफरेंट
दूसरी
में
जो
करेंगे क्या?
मैथमेटिक्स आप SCIENCE को हम लोग फिर से सॉल्व करेंगे प्रैक्टिकली. हाँ ओके विपुल वेरी गुड. साइंस को हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay, very good. Now the question is like this: how many distinct words we can form such that the word should start with E? Okay, the word should start with E. I will solve in both cases. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. 1 2 3 4 5
It can
6
be
7. Okay,
sorry.
now see here. E, how many E's? So this is done in the how many ways? 7 factorial ways. Divided by, okay, not this is I will start with E. Okay, this should start with E. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are
Yes, sir.
starting with E, now tell me how many options you have for this E.
2.
You have 2 options because you have considered this E and this E are different. What we'll do,
Yes.
both E are different, we will consider here. So I will write as 2 options here. Is this okay, everyone?
Yes.
Now
Yes,
these remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial ways.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And in these 6 factorial ways, do we have any repetition?
C,
C has repeated twice, so I have divided by 2 factorial. And in these 2, in this option, is any repetition you have considered? Yes, you have considered E as a different because they have already same. You have to remove by dividing by 2 factorial.
Yes, sir.
आता दुसरी केस बघा. Suppose this is a case 1 I will consider. The same question can be solved like this. If I consider the both E's are same, now see what will be the answer. If I consider both E are same, so I will put E here. Now tell me how many options are there for this position?
1.
Only one, boss, because you have considered both E are same. अभी ये E उठाओ या A E उठाओ, दोनों same है sir. So only one option I am having. Are you getting the
Yes,
point?
sir.
Now these 6
Yes.
can be
Yes.
arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial ways. So what is my answer is? Finally यही मेरा आंसर है, 6 factorial by 2 factorial.
Yes.
I hope it is clear. Similarly हम लोग मैथमेटिक्स को सॉल्व
Yes.
किया था. मैथमेटिक्स क्या था अपना? मैथमेटिक्स
सर सीधा उसको ऑल आर डिस्टिंक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट समझ के सॉल्व किया तो सेम ही आंसर आएगा ना.
ये वही किया ना भाई, सीधा सीधा अगर इसको ऑल डिस्टिंक्ट करके अगर हमने सॉल्व किया तो यही आंसर आ रहा है. ये 2 factorial by 2 factorial
Yes.
कैंसिल किया, 1 आ गया. दिस 1 and this 1
Yes.
both are same and ये दोनों भी सेम है. So your final answer is what?
Yes.
The same answer. Now we will see the
Yes.
mathematics. Your letter should start with M. कितने हैं टोटल? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 हो गए क्या? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Your letter should your word should start with M. Now tell me how many M's you are having? 2 M's I are having. I am having 2 M's.
नो सर 10 वर्ड्स
10 है क्या? हाँ, वही बोला मैं.
10 है सर.
Now how many M's you have? 2 M's I have.
2
And both the M's are same. Because of that I will divide that repetition by 2 factorial. Is this okay?
यस.
Now the remaining 9 can be arranged in how many ways? 9 factorial divided by any
factorial.
repetition you have? Yes.
Yes.
E has
Yes.
repeated, A has repeated.
D.
2 factorial and 2 factorial. अभी फिर से उसको M को अंदर मत लेके आओ. अभी M बाहर है ग्रुप के, उसको फिर से अंदर मत लेके आओ. समझ रहा है?
Yes.
This is what my answer is.
Sir,
हाँ yes बोलो.
समझे सर.
समझा ना?
सर वो दोनों
Yes, sir.
M बाहर ही रहेगा.
दोनों M बाहर ही रहेंगे.
9
See,
factorial.
of course, एक M बाहर जाएगा. At the end what? एक M बाहर जाएगा और एक M अंदर रहेगा. Because out of 2 M's you are using only M here. एक M बाहर गया, एक M अंदर गया. When you consider अंदर का ग्रुप, M is distinct. M एक ही है उसमें. M has not repeated. In this group I am talking. बरोबर ना?
सर यानी कि एक M बाहर और एक M अंदर रहेगा.
हाँ.
सर फिर 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड क्यों किया था?
क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ये दो जो M है, ये दो को हम लोगों ने अलग अलग कंसिडर किया है. विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू. वो दोनों M सेम ही है. अगर आप इसको अगर सिंगल M लिखना है तो आप एक ही लिख लो. देन डिवाइड बाय 2 मत करो बिकॉज यू हैव कंसिडर बोथ आर सेम.
यस सर.
Okay, so you decide how to go. whether you want to go with this approach or this approach, no problem. Is this okay everyone? Okay, so that's it from my side. So your homework is exercise number 1 and 2 and 3 also, as we are meeting after 4-5 days. I think किती दिवसांना भेटणार आहे मला नाही माहिती, I don't know. ठीक है, so you try to complete exercise 1 and 2 तो compulsory है ही, definitely 1 and 2 are compulsory, and whatever you have studied in the second part which is the objects are repeated, वो आपको exercise 3rd में मिलेगा. Okay, so state board के books ई बाल भारती में से उठाओ state board books and you solve the first 3 exercises compulsory. Everyone has to solve this. Okay, so with this we will stop here. Yes, 11th standard we will stop here. Thank you.